Clear Voice is another website for those who are looking for jobs online for writing. If you're looking for writing gig, this is the place you can go. But remember, they're looking for high quality writers, meaning you need to know what you're doing. If you don't have the necessary skill set, then this video is not for you. Remember, Clear Voice is a talent network, is known for working with top freelance for hire. Why? Because they pay you top dollars. They pay you highly for the services you are doing. So from writers and editors to designer and strategists, join a community of proven professionals and receive consistent, well-paid freelance jobs with top brands over the long term. So they have worked, it is an international company, it's known worldwide, especially in the writing industry. They've worked with companies like Cox, Intuit, Cisco. So your work is just for you to go on this website and sign up. Make sure your CV has all the necessary skill set that is required. Boost your CV with all the necessary skill set required, because this is a highly it's a highly competitive place, because they are paying well. Let's call a spade not a big spoon. Companies that pay well, that's where everybody wants to go in there, because everybody wants to get a high paying place, a high paying job. So if you are looking for this, then make sure you deliver high quality work. Make sure you have the necessary skill set. Then once you are in here, so how it works is you build your brand, strengthen your free CV portfolio, and you use Clear Voice to help grow your business. You secure, why should you work with them? Because you are able to secure better jobs. And of course, you set your own pay rates, whether you're going to charge $100 per blog post or $200 or more than that. It's up to you. Then of course there is that you're able to communicate with your clients on this platform, because they have given you the platform, and it is a trustworthy platform. So meaning you're going to be paid for the money, for the work you have done. And every time you deliver work, you get paid quickly, and it is a guarantee. And make sure you have a PayPal account, because that's what they've said here. Get paid quickly. Get paid via PayPal upon assignment approval. So once you have submitted your work, and it's approved, you are going to be paid immediately. Rest assured, you'll get paid quickly every time. So you can start uploading your CV immediately. For example, one of the freelancers he has said is called Ben. With over 10 years marketing technology experience, my writing will bring you more site visitors and conversion. This is what Ben has said. He's a copy editor, copywriter. And then Angela has said, Angela Tegue writes SEO web marketing content for major brands, including Tom, Lowe's, and many other companies. For example, here we have Stacy, who said, Stacy is a digital marketing specialist with a passion for helping clients optimize their online presence to drive awareness and leads. So there are opportunities for those who are interested. So showcase your best work with a free CV portfolio. So here they've already they're giving you example, because they really want to start working with them, and they are guiding you on how to go about it. And these are the areas that they are dealing with when it comes to writing. There's advertising, marketing, healthcare, real estate, business, lifestyle, consumer, legal, education, software and technology, finance, travel, and adventure. So it's up to you to go ahead and apply. Look for this opportunity if you're interested. This is a good opportunity for those who are interested. But remember, they're looking for quality. So if you don't have the necessary skill set, then they will not accept you. But if you meet the requirements, if you have the skill set, they will definitely give you the opportunity to work with these companies, which are paying top dollars just to write for them.